Hi, do you want to see our van?
This is Pearl, our 2010 Ford Transit Connect that we converted to travel across North America. This van is typically outfitted for one person, so we'd like to show you how we built ours for two people to travel comfortably. We chose this vehicle due to its small size and good gas mileage to conquer both large cities and long drives. Let's take a look inside.
This is the inside of our van. I would like to show you how we made a full-size bed fit. When we're sleeping in the bed, we put the hinge fully extended like this, and then we'll show you what we do when we want to drive and we need room to recline the seats and push them fully back so that we can reach the pedals comfortably. This hinge is a 4-foot long piano hinge running down the seam of this piece of 5-inch wood. We rest it underneath itself and the mattress now overhangs. The mattress is soft enough that we can push the seat back a lot further. And what we typically do is just raise the mattress slightly and recline the seats. These are our curtains. We bought some material and sewed it two-sided so that it would block more light. We decided after a lot of research that the most straightforward way for us to install our curtains was to use magnets. We have 3 curtain panels. They do overlap for more light blocking. Each panel has 4 magnets. We haven't really had any issue with these coming down. The magnets we used are big ceramic magnets and they hold the weight of the curtains very well. So the magnet is attached to a 5-foot bar with holes, so we were able to mount it to the inside of our van into mount holes that were pre-existing. When we bought this metal bar, we had to hammer it to fit the curvature of the van, and the holes lined up perfectly. We were able to utilize these hooks that were on the floor of the inside of the cargo van when we first purchased it. We didn't need them there, so we took them out and held on to them and were able to repurpose them as a place to hook our keys and things like that when we are sleeping. Our curtain fixture has held up really well for us. I think it comes down to using the right kinds of magnets and the right kind of material. We put Velcro on the sides of the curtains to fill this gap. The Velcro here on the side is dual purpose as the connecting point for our bug nets. Hello! These wood panels are attached to the door with some L brackets. Originally, our philosophy was to use magnets. They kind of failed because the cedar on the blue one is actually quite heavy. So Eric installed L brackets to hold them in place, and now we're hoping that they will remain on the doors permanently. Some of the features I want to show you surrounding our bed are the cabinets that we built that are magnetic. These cabinets are super useful for us as kind of like our bedside tables. This is a magnet, like it's pretty bright. It has 3 settings. It's rechargeable. It simply has these 4 strong magnets. We put it anywhere on the van that's a magnetic surface, which is really convenient when we're camping and it's dark and we need light, maybe not right in the wall of the van. We designed curtains that have Velcro. This Velcro is dual purpose. It works for both our lampshade curtains and it works as the connecting point for our bug nets. Behind the lampshades, we store books and things like that. These are cedar planks. They're the same cedar we used pretty much along the whole interior of the van. We wedged them between the existing surfaces. This is probably for a window, and we utilize the space and the ridges that existed to have more of a decor feel and less of a white van interior. Originally, I wanted to fill this space with paneling, but that reduced the size of our van, and so having it open gives us a lot more space. Looking at the back door, we decided to cover up the bottom half. We insulated behind it. We also covered the top with cedar paneling, and then this inlet was the space that seemed most practical to use, so we made it look a little bit more decorative, and we again use magnets Let's take a look at our sliding drawers. Our back doors have to be fully extended and open in order to open the drawers. The slides work really well. They're very sturdy. We've never felt like there's any risk of our items falling out or the slide breaking. We decided we wanted to cook away from the van. I felt more comfortable setting up and cooking on a table beside the van versus out of the back. This table is a really slim, really lightweight camping table. When we set up our camping chairs, we can eat at this table. We can still have all of our dishes on the other table. It seems kind of excessive to have two tables, but it actually works really well for us to not feel so cramped and using tiny spaces all the time. In our kitchen, we have this pop-up sink where we wash all of our dishes, pots and pans. We use these wood crates. They're really sturdy where you can pick them up and take them out. We are able to take out different pieces and parts and don't have to move everything at once, so that works really well for us. Also in our kitchen storage space, we have our dinner plates and 2 sets of bowls. We were able to use the side of the cabinet to rest a knife and cutting board set and some other things that we use when we're cooking, and we strap that all in with a bungee. The last thing I want to talk about is the door handles on our drawers. We wanted something flexible because the back doors close pretty closely to the cedar on the drawers. We were able to find something that was a flexible material but still acts as a sturdy door handle when we're trying to open our drawers. Let's move on to the side of the van. Welcome to the side view of our van. This is our Yeti cooler. I'm gonna move it out onto the floor so you can see what else is in the side. Okay, let's zoom in. This is our Goal Zero solar generator. There's a solar panel somewhere in this van that I will show you shortly. We actually typically access it from the front driver's seat. This is how we access our Goal Zero solar generator. This is the extension cord that plugs in, and we have a couple of outlets. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay. We are able to store wires and cables in this little cubby under our generator for quick access and safekeeping, so we always know where they are. Behind the solar generator, we have just some general storage. So we have some more kitchen essentials and some medicine essentials, and we have our 2 REI Flex Light macro chairs. These fold up really small and are really lightweight, which is great for camping or for us, fitting a lot of things into a small space. Great chairs. We also have this doorstep so that we can get onto the roof without a ladder, which is extremely useful when you have things stored on the roof. Looking in the side view of our van, we keep our work boots or our hiking boots here, our home and grill, and 2 more storage bins, a blanket that's protecting our solar panel. I'm not going to take the solar panel out. It is a Goal Zero brand and it works super well, and we had a lot of luck powering ourselves with solar energy using this panel. We also have a few things in here like stakes for our awning and a hammer and some weights and 2 yoga mats. We have utilized a lot of bungee cords. These bungees here keep our yoga mats from falling either backwards or forwards.
That's our tour. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe below.